Abima go join witchcraft. Hey! As he be say they focus on blood business.
Oh Jesus.
They will come arrange all of us with the level 1. Come send us more go suck blood for night. 1 liter to 2 liter depending on your seriousness. Me I go don arrange like 6 liter keep. As the rest of the witchcraft apprentices they carry their own blood, they go back oven. Me self go carry their 2 liter go give them. Hide my 4 liters. Later I'll come carry and go sell for Europe or Asia or even America self as it be say bloody cost for that side. I go make sure say I no sell am for Nigeria. Just in case they put tracker for the blood. They cash out cool money. Business don't settle. Sharp, sharp, sharp.
You won't ask question. Swallow.